Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to adjust or fix a comment box's vertical and horizontal alignment using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor. Now click on this home option and here you will find this selection menu and click on this drop down arrow and select your annotation option and drag your mouse cursor, select your text boxes to align and this right sidebar. Here you will find this vertically align option. Here also you will find this vertically align option and see this comment option and drag your mouse cursor and select, and this is horizontally align and this one horizontal. In this way you can adjust vertically and horizontally alignment on your PDF file. Yeah, this is, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and